Hi guys, good morning. And today we're going to one of my favorite restaurants. It's Olive Garden. We're here in Shangri-La Mall. Uh, Kaya samahan niyo ako. Let's have a great lunch.
Nabalitaan ko may bago silang promo. Check natin, worth it kaya? Olive Garden now offers the 595 favorites that comes with your chosen entree, unlimited choice of soup, salad, and breadstick. Umpisa natin sa soup. They have 4 kinds. May chicken and gnocchi, minestrone, zuppa toscana, and pasta e fagioli. Lahat masarap, walang tapon. Sa breadstick naman tayo, mas masarap pag sinamahan mo ng dipping sauce. Siyempre di papahuli yung unli salad at dahil mahilig ako dito, na-enjoy ko siya kasi light and fresh. Here comes the main dish. So many choices from the creamy spinach fettuccine to the golden fish fillet with pesto sauce, Tuscan spaghetti, savory soy pork pasta, parmesan crusted salmon, or the salmon peach salsa pasta. Ang daming pwedeng pagpilian. Lahat sobrang sarap. Of course, don't forget Olive Garden's drink offerings and desserts to cap off your meal. So worth it nga ba? Sobra! Tara, let's go to Olive Garden today.